Hi, my name is Sandra Thompson, and I'm the director of the Federal Housing Finance Agency. Our agency is responsible for regulating Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and the federal home loan banks, which together are responsible for over 8 trillion of mortgages outstanding. Prior to my current role, I spent 23 years at the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, where I served as the head of bank supervision during the great financial crisis. I'd like to congratulate Industrial Bank and the Mitchell family on their 90th anniversary. 90 years is quite a testimony, especially when you think about all the economic challenges that have taken place during that time. Just for context, today there is about 4,000 banks in the United States, but there are only 5 Black-owned banks that are 90 years old. That's what I call resilience. Many minority communities were created through discriminatory practices such as redlining. And in these communities, mainstream financial service providers were few and far between. Black-owned banks were and still are the only source for reasonable and non-predatory lending. There are lots of payday lenders, pawn shops, and other places that charge people a lot of money to borrow. And these places are often serving people who don't make a lot of money and can least afford to pay extraordinary interest rates. This is why industrial and Black-owned banks are so important. They care about their communities. They have relationships with their customers. They look beyond credit scores when they decide whether or not to lend to someone. Black banks are a vital lifeline for Black entrepreneurs and households. I know this is true. During the Great Recession in 2008 and 2009, people were losing their homes across this country. I saw firsthand how Industrial Bank came to the rescue of many people in the community and churches in this area. The large banks walked away from the churches and demanded their loans immediately, and Industrial was there to refinance and shore them up. Industrial was there. They exemplified what community is all about. Congratulations on 90 years, and may you have many, many more.